To all employers in Hong Kong, have a pleasant day. My name is Royalyn Pabulayan, 30 years old, 156 centimeters and 57 kilograms. I am married with one kid, 7-year-old boy. I am a high school graduate and a Christian. My father is a pottery maker and my mother is a housewife. I have one brother, 2 sisters, and I am the eldest. Mom and sir, this is my first time to work in Hong Kong, but I have a working experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years. I am servicing 4 adults, but actually, I take care of the grandkids of my employers too. 4 children, 3 boys aged 12, 8, 7, and 1 girl aged 3 years old. I look after the children and giving them food, assisting them of what their needs, assist the youngest to the bathroom, and sometimes plays with them. They sometimes visit my employer's house, so I need to take care of them. Madam and sir, I know how to cook. I do all the household works like cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, and cooking. I don't know how to cook Chinese food, but I'm very willing to learn. Madam and sir, I am honest, kind, respectful, and a hardworking person. I'm very willing to learn and can follow the instruction of my employer. I choose to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my husband for the needs of our family and to earn and save for the education and future of our kids. To all employers in Hong Kong, thank you and see you in Hong Kong.